Okay, so let me show you how I made a seed germination mat at home. So you can see this is called a seedling tray, and I have put some light here with an extension, and this is called seedling tray, and this is cocoa peat. So if you use cocoa peat, you don't get a lot of bugs and virus while making seeds. So you can see these seeds are sprouting slowly. I've labeled them with this ice cream stick. So you can see outside temperature is around 18 degrees, but my seedling mat temperature is 23. This is just a temperature thermometer I got from Amazon. So what I did is, here you can see these are the Diwali lights. I put it on a cardboard, added some transparent paper, that transparent paper on top of it, and then on top of it just wrapped around that Diwali light on a board, and then it increases the temperature by 4 to 5 degrees. So 23 degrees is best, which I have right now here. So just light I added for new seedlings. So this setup costed me like hardly 80 rupees, 90 rupees, maybe 100 rupees for light. And this temperature sensor is not mandatory, but if you have it, it's fine. So just 3 days and you'll see seeds doing pretty good.